Luke has 7/8 yards of purple ribbon, 3.7 yards of pink ribbon, and 4/5 yards of blue ribbon. List the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we're going to compare these three numbers written in fraction. Now we're going to change it to decimal to compare those numbers. So purple ribbon is 3, 7/8. We're going to multiply 125 to both numerator and denominator. And what we have here is 875 and 1000. So it is 3.875 yards. And pink ribbon is written as decimal, so I'll just write it down as it is. The last one, blue ribbon, is 4/5. And we're going to multiply 2 to both numerator and denominator. So what we have is 8/10, and it's 3.8. Now we are going to compare those three numbers and write it down in order from least to greatest. Look at this. So 3.7, and then 3.8. The greatest one is 3.875.